We have talked a lot about formative assessment, but the time has come when we should make our students aware about this summative assessment. In a year, a child has to sit for two summative assessments. The term 1 summative assessment is very close to us. It is going to held in the month of November. So I think we should now tell our students about the syllabus, pattern, type of questions that will come in summative assessment 1. So hello everyone, I am Kadambini and I welcome you all to this English learning channel Kadambini Srishti. So today I am going to share with you the pattern of summative assessment 1 of Odia medium school class 9 and class 10. Now let us go one by one. With that, we will also know what will be the pattern of term 2, which is summative assessment 2. So let us start from class 9. In class 9, as we have already discussed many a times, that the syllabus is 50% of the whole reduced syllabus that I am sharing here, and you can see what will be the syllabus for term 1 or summative assessment 1 of class 9. Now the question is, what will be the pattern or what is the total mark? I think you all know that total mark is 40. Next comes, what about the pattern and how many questions carrying how many marks that will come in this particular term 1 summative assessment of class 9. In this examination, this 40 mark is divided into two parts. So 20 marks objective and 20 marks subjective. For objective, no problem, only MCQ questions will come and we have to darken the correct answer out of 4. And let me make you clear that the questions will be given or provided by the board directly. And next question is, which type of questions will come in this 20 marks subjective part. So here we have 3 questions. Question number 1, long question, and it carries 10 marks. And as there is no poem for summative assessment 1 in class 9, so only 2 questions from prose part, the students has to write the answers in about 50 words carrying 5 marks each. So 2 long questions A and B from 4 chapters that is there in part 1 or 50% of the syllabus. So number 1, how many questions? 2 questions. From which? From prose. How many prose chapters are there? 4 prose chapters are there. The priceless gift, the swimmer who does not need her legs, the road safety week, and missile man of India. So out of these 4 chapters, 2 long questions the students has to answer in question number 1 carrying 5 marks each. So total 10 marks. Question number 1, 10 marks complete. Next, question number 2 carrying 5 marks. Here we have 3 options. We can do one essay carrying 5 marks in 100 words, or the student can write one application carrying 5 marks and in 50 words, or one letter also in the same 5 marks and words 50 words. So this is about question number 2. Then comes question number 3, again carrying 5 marks. Here one on-scene passage will be given, or in alternate the student can do one translation. It may come in paragraph or in dialogue. So question number 1, 2 long questions each carrying 5 marks, total 10 marks. Question number 2, one answer out of 3 options, essay, letter or application carrying 5 marks, so becomes 15. Then question number 3, on-scene passage or translation, so total 5 marks. In this way 1, 2, 3, total 20 marks. So this is the pattern of summative assessment 1 of class 9 Odia medium schools. Next comes its annual. In annual examination, the student has to give exam which is known as term 2 assessment or summative assessment 2. Out of 80 marks, 50 marks MCQ only to darken from 4 choice, and another 30 marks. Subjective part, 3 questions, the same pattern as it was in the previous year 2020 and 2021, no change. So 3 questions in subjective. Question number 1, long question, one from prose, another from poem, carrying 5 marks, total 10 marks. And number 2, one essay, 10 marks, or letter and application, 5, 10 marks. And question number 3, on-scene passage, 10 mark, or translation and writing report or dialogue. This was the pattern of 2021. It will also continue for this year or session, that is 21 and 22. Now let us go or know what will be the pattern of summative assessment 1 and 2 of class 10. Class 10 summative assessment 1, no confusion, 50 marks MCQ. Board will provide the questions and it is also one board exam, we can say, and here the student only has to darken the answer out of 4. And next comes summative assessment 2, the same as it was in previous year, also same that we have talked about class 9. So I think you don't have any confusion now. Now it's time for thought of the day. So what is today's thought? Time untied waits for none. Time untied waits for none. So dear student, prepare yourself for summative assessment 1, which is essential, very again essential. So with this hope that you will secure good marks in your exam, let me wind up this video here. Very soon we will meet with another new useful video for you all. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.